Bulletproof Dog Training. Today I have my newest 15-day board and train. This is Remy. Thank you. Oh my goodness, hi. Oh my goodness. Alright, so Remy is here today just because Dad wants her to be a little bit overall better mannered, kind of listen when he first asks. She does jump up on people to say hi. She's super excited. Pulls on the leash quite a bit, so Dad just wants us to get all those fixed up for him. Before we do get into her training, we are going to see what she does and doesn't know. Remy.